In this video, we will be planting asparagus from crowns. Asparagus is a perennial plant that comes back year after year, so it is important to select a proper planting site. Choose an area in your garden that gets about 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. This area should be near the edge of your garden so that it will not be disturbed by your daily gardening activities. Asparagus likes a well-drained soil and a soil pH of about 6.5. Remove all the weeds from the planting site. Asparagus does not like any competition. It took me at least 2 days to prepare this asparagus bed. Depending on the type of soil in your garden, it may take more or less than 2 days to prepare your asparagus planting bed. The soil should be loose and about 15 inches deep. You want to give enough room for your asparagus crowns to root properly. Add some soil amendments like compost or some organic granular slow-release fertilizer. The organic granular fertilizer should contain nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Plant your asparagus crowns in the early spring or as soon as the soil can be worked. Asparagus is usually grown from 1-year-old plants called crowns, but it can also be grown from seeds. To plant your asparagus crowns, dig up a trench of about 12 to 18 inches wide and 6 to 8 inches deep. Create a small hill in the middle of the trench where you are planting your asparagus crown. This provides a good area to spread out the roots of the asparagus crowns. Soak the crowns briefly in water before planting. Sometimes it is hard to separate the roots, so be gentle in pulling the asparagus crowns away from each other. Put the asparagus crown on top of the hill that you have made and spread out its roots. Cover the crown with compost or topsoil, burying the crown 2 inches deep, and then water your newly planted asparagus crown. After filling the trench with soil, it is recommended to add about 4 to 6 inches of mulch. Water your asparagus constantly and add an organic fertilizer during the growing season. If you learned something from this video, click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and see you next time!